Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a graph on Excel. So firstly guys, you need some data. For example, I have this data and I want to create a graph for this data. So copy it, then insert, and in the chart section you will see different type of graph. So you can insert this type of graph, and here the option 2D, 3D, 2D bar or 3D bar, and here you will see this preview. Here you can change style and color and so many options. Just you have to select any style. Similarly, you can insert another graph, line or area chart. Pie chart, and you see your data is not appear properly, so you have to make adjust the size like this and see which is the better. So this way, guys, you can insert the chart or graph in Microsoft Excel. Here you can adjust size, color, style. So thanks for watching.